Hey guys, welcome to the third video of this series where I'm teaching you guys how to code in Roblox Studio. In today's video we will be talking about functions and how you could use them. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So first off, let's create a new part and name it, I'm just gonna name it functions. Let's add a script inside of it, right? Functions are basically some lines of code that you could use to activate and like in certain situations, right? So it's basically like some code that's stored and you could just activate it when you want, right? So to make a function, you first do function or local function, and then you have to name it. So let's do something with map, like add 800, no, add 3. Then you have to add those, and then right there. So whatever we put in the function, right, we could use, right? So let's make a new variable, local. Well, first off, let's do x, right? So we could also add there because you could store information in them, right? X. So after that, we'll print x plus 3, right? So then what we could do is we could wait 3 seconds, and then to activate the function, you basically have to write the name, and then like that, right? So let's for x, then we put something there, so we could do 90, right? So the result should be 93. So let's wait real quick. 93, right? So also we could change it, right? So we could wait another second, and then we could do the same thing, but this time with 30. Right? So that works perfectly. Another thing I just wanted to show you guys, because I forgot to show you in the other episodes. Let's remove all of this real quick. Instead of having to make a script inside a part all the time, you could go down here into server script service and add a script. And now this is basically for like different stuff where you just want the script to be stored, right? So let's do something real quick. Let's get this part and add a script to it. So as you know, local is equal to script.parent to make it easier, and then local function, and then what should we call it? Change color, right? So now that we have that function, right, what we could do is basically, right, so part dot brick color is equal to brick color dot random, right? So now we could just change color after like 1 second, right? So let's see what happens. Right, it changes the color of it to something random. Right, so functions are basically very useful because they could store some code that you want, and then you could just activate them later on when you want, right? Right, so, okay, so one more thing that we could do, right, if you want to like change the color, right, so what we could do is we could do function, so let's, part is equal to script.parent, right, then we could do function, change color, and then inside that we could do color, right? So what we want to do is we could do part dot brick color is equal to color, right? And then down here we could wait 1 second, and then we could do change color, then brick color dot, let's do red, you know. So now I'll wait 1 second, I'll change it to red, right? This is very useful if you want to make it so that like you want the part to change, and it's much easier to do it like that, right? You know. But anyways, that's basically it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.